have so much projects to do today. I've been working on this one. I have to do a deadline soon. And then there's this one that I've been going in and out of. Hopefully I will get back to that soon. I've been putting this back, but I really want to get to it. This one I have to redo over again. And then I have to finish these. I need to do all of this.
So, what are you working on?
Okay, all jokes aside, hopefully I screwed this on right. I'm talking about my camera. Anyway. I don't know if you make that a joke. Okay, but anyway. So, what the hell was I talking about? Oh, general. Okay, so in general, my general life. Get that out of the way. Nothing much happened. My mother is still helping me look for a new job, another job. I'm applying to a few of them, well, one of them so far. It's just the application process. I just don't like applying to things anymore. It's just effort, and there's nothing I'm fully inclined to do, so just that. I have no motivation to what I'm already doing, so yeah. So this kind of next portion kind of bleeds into illustration and Japanese, so I'm just gonna swiftly transition to that. So okay, so Japanese. For the Japanese, I've been, as I said, since last week, because I haven't studied at all for the last week and a half ish. I've been slipping off, not only just like Japanese, but just like in schedule, like what am I supposed to do and study today, like what I'm supposed to do. And now I'm kind of building that back up. I start writing again. I just read today, I read a page of the online online shosetsu, shosetsu. I should stop picking this on my head because it's getting bigger. But yes, well, not my head, it's on my forehead, my face, not even my head. But yeah, so I'm trying to read normally too. I've been doing that. I'm probably going to write another page tomorrow at the library because I'm supposed to go to work tomorrow. So yeah, there is that. Also, thanks to my job, I've been doing, she has started to do this thing where she does online conversation, Japanese online conversation. And for my first time, I finally attended for the first time yesterday. And for my attendance, I was, well, first of all, halfway through the thing, I was falling asleep. So my comprehension was slipping a lot. But before that, I was able to understand some of it. Even if I didn't understand the specifics, I understand the overall topic. So, except for the very first one, when I first hopped in, because she was talking about the moon, and I was like, what are they talking about? But yeah, they were talking about the moon, the solar eclipse that happened Monday, I think. Totally missed it. It blinked and happened. Anyway, moving on to... Shoot, what are they moving on to? Oh, drawing illustration. Okay. Okay, for illustration, I have finally finished it. I finished it last week-ish. I wanted to finish it earlier, but that didn't happen, but I did get to finish it, and I just have to now add in the writing. So, the title, this is going to be on my title page for my shotetsu manga. Shotetsu, Nihongo shotetsu, there we go. Okay. Yeah, this is the finished piece. I'm very proud of it. I like it. And with that said, I'm also planning to send these out. This one, and probably the other one too. I might send this one first actually, and then send the other one later. So yeah, that's my plan. And that's why I transitioned to this in general. I had made my list, a mailing list. And I was planning to, now I gotta make the email, the body, and introduce myself and so on and so forth. And send these out to magazines, agencies, and other places that I want to get work from. So there's that. Anything else for illustration? Yes. So this kind of bleeds into the book, but I'll leave it here in this portion. Then I wanted to start taking up a project where doing mermaid, but instead of doing like, the whole point of it is not to concentrate on actually making mermaids. So similar to what I was been doing for Inktober or November for the last time I did it. This is where I use that theme to draw my characters and improve my characters and drawing and style. That's what I meant to do with mermaid, but this time with a different with my different set of characters from a different story. Instead of Kigairu, I'm doing the Nico Shoten characters, because I finally have an idea of a theme I want to go with, which is 90s kids bubble pop kind of theme aesthetic. I want to convey through the manga, graphic novel I wanted to create, but I'm not sure how to achieve that aesthetic. The other one was much easier. Kigairu aesthetic was so much easier to accomplish because it was basically Catholic motif mixed with turquoise motifs, so it was actually much easier to work with. Now I'm like, okay, now how do I convey 90s besides with like a lot of references? So I'm trying to, and without using the fashion too much, because I already have a fashion I like with their character design, I might incorporate some 90s fashion, but let's see, let's figure it out later. For now, that's it for illustration, so might as well transition to books and stories. So as I said with books and stories, and I said before previous sections, I am going back to working on the Shotiptu, and as I said in the beginning, I have pushed back the other Japanese Nihongo de mangas I've been working on. I also decided I should also make it more encouraging to draw, especially the backgrounds. Not only with that one, but also the Shoten backgrounds. I've been dreading drawing those because it's so boring to me, and that's why I was like, maybe if I add a more of a better theme to it, it'd be more fun because I have something to work towards and build on. Instead of just one blank sheet of references. So please excuse me as I'm drinking, as I'm talking. But yeah, which gives me a little bit more hype to work on it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to figure out during mermaid, and I'm going to do that for illustrations. Haven't started yet. I'm trying to plan it out today. Oh, but I did finish the sketching, for Carol's pages. Now I'm going to work on Saturday's pages for the Kigaru Illustro. As for the book, again, that has been, since I'm concentrating on the illustration book, although if I find inspiration to work on it, I work on it. If I find inspiration to work on the projects, I will work on it. I just haven't been finding inspiration to work on other projects as much, except for the Nico Shoten one, but because I found like style I would like to work with it in. But I haven't fully dropped the other ones yet, so I do plan to go back to those. Don't I need anything else to add? As I said, it's been really eventful, and it doesn't help me reading manga, and Mother Nature been kicking in my ass, so I have really slowed down. Okay, so now I'm trying to pick the pace back up. And this will come back to general a bit. Tip. So, general, as I said with work, I'm going to work tomorrow. I'm planning to wash my hair today early because I have to go to work tomorrow because her place, the place I'm working at, is going through construction, so there is some schedule changes, and now I have to be more flexible. So anyway, that's it for me. Thank you for watching if you got this far. Hopefully I improve my editing a little bit, probably better next time, but for now, thanks for watching. Bye. Update about the, what do you call it again, coloring theme book, trivia book. I forgot to be a little update about that. So I went to the reviews and it was rejected because I had this wrong interior and cover page size. So then I fixed it, and then I went to review again. The cover passed, but my interior dimension is still wrong, because then it gave me more detailed explanations because of the believe, so I need to expand the width more. So now I gotta go back and redo the whole thing again. Joy.